Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series. This is part 2 of our tutorials, whereby we will be showing you how to create floors that will be going to different levels according to our site as we see it here. So if we go to elevation, you will see that our site is sloping like that, and our building will be going on top of the sloping side. So what we want to do is go to our site, and from here we want to start outlining our building pattern accurately, the way we want to design our our spaces. So I'm gonna go ahead and start changing a few of the dimensions that we have here, and we will start putting the floors. Okay, I am now comfortable with my building. I want it to sit like that. So from here, I'm going to go to basement. I want to delete the previous one I did. I'm gonna go to site, and I'm going to select all the lines by dragging from the top, and we're gonna deselect the elevations and the views. We just want the lines. Control C, and then paste to same place. From here, on my basement level, I want to only see, so my floor, I'm going to change the floor type to this one. We'll change the materials later. Gonna do that. I want my basement level to be there. that. That's the first floor. I'm going to finish. If we go to 3D, you'll see it there. So you can see now it's floating. I'm going to manipulate the side in a way that it accommodates that. So I need one more level below that because I want to do something underneath these. So I'm going to label this basement 1. And on basement 1, I will copy the same floor and I will paste it to selected levels. I wanted to go to basement 1, and there it is. So our basement will be inside there, and I am happy with that. We are now going to move on to level 1, and I'm going to go back to site, select our lines, and we only want to see the flow. Copy the lines, Control C, go to level 1, paste there. I'm gonna do the same with the others. Right, once I'm done pasting that, we're gonna start putting floors for this level as well. You can use the pick tool to pick these lines like that. Gonna trim it. Like that. If you go to 3D,
what we do here is go back.
You will see that's what we have. Those 3 levels, 2 levels there, 1, 2. From here, we go to level 2. Actually, this level I wanted to go all the way there, so I'm going to do that, and that's what I want to see. I'm gonna go to level 2, and actually on level 1 I want to put another level there. I want to put another floor on level 1. So I'm going to pick this outline, like that, and that's what I want. From there, I am going to go to number 2 and put my floor slab there. There it is, and I want another one to go on top of this. So I can select this one. You can Control C and paste it on top of you can paste it on level 2 like that. Now on level 2 I want to make an opening, so I'm going to edit this, and I now want my opening to be like that. That's how I want my design to be. From here we're going to do our last level. Actually, on floor 2 I want to put one more level. I want to put one more floor, so I'm gonna go to floor 2 and I'm going to do a floor from here to there. So this is the secondary access into the side, this is the primary, this is the secondary. From here I have one more level, which is level 3, and from here I'm going to put let's see, I'm going to draw this one here and this one. There we have it. That's how I want my floors to be. So if you go to floor 1 and cut a section, this is a section, and you cut it like that, and you double click on the section head, now we are able to see how our floors are sitting on our side. I actually want to make a little adjustment to one of these floors, which is this one. Actually the both of them. I want this line to be the same as there. So I'm going to pick the align tool and I'm going to hit the surface and hit this one. So now this means that this line and this line are at the same line. I'm going to hit finish, and I want to do the same with this one. Gonna do that and hit finish. So that's what I want. Now to properly cut out sections from the topo surface so we can see what's going on there, we are going to go to the side plan. We are going to massing and side, and we're going to use a you have two options. You can use a building pad and a split surface. First of all, I want to use the building pad and I want to show you how it works. So I'm going to select this like that and finish. If I go to 3D, it looks like that. Now what this means is that it had created a void the wrong way round. So we want this space to be a void and we want the underneath to be covered. So from here, what we're going to do, the simple way of doing this is that we're going to change the height of the building pad. At the moment it's sitting at 0, so you can either type -5,000 and it will move there, or if you put 0 where it was sitting, you can change this and have it at, you can have it at okay, let's work with this one. Let me see, let me put it at, yeah, basement 1 -5 meters. No, basement 1 at 0. That's what we want to see, that void. So in the inside it's closed, at the outside it's open, right? Now if we use the other option for this floor here on level 1, so I also want to do the same process here, but now I want to use a different tool so that you can see the difference. At the end of the day, they will achieve the same thing that you would want to achieve, which is to create a hole in the space, but this is all about choosing the easiest tool for you, or the easiest method. So if you go to 3D and you choose a split surface, this means that we are going to split the site into 2 surfaces. So if you click split surface, you're going to have to select the topo surface, and you can draw your shape either in plan or in 3D. So on the previous one we drew it in plan. Here I want to show you how to do it on 3D. So you're going to use the pick tool. You're going to pick the shape of the floor. So we're going to hit tab and tab again, so that you can have those lines like that. And if I hit finish, you'll realize that the floor is still there. I mean, the topo surface is still there, but the difference now is that there are 2 topo surfaces. This is the first topo surface, this is the second topo surface. So here what you can do is that you can delete it, meaning that you have an actual void that is cut through your site like that. But if you want to bring it back, it means that you have to model it separately, or you have to edit these points that it has created here. So for this example, I want to keep things simple. So let's say you don't have the ability to go backwards until you are at a place whereby this was a complete thing. Now what you can do with this 2 separated topo surfaces is that you can join the 2 of them, or merge the 2 of them. So you're gonna hit the merge surface, select the first one, select the second one, and it goes back to where it was, right? Or you can just go back, and that's what you have. So I'm gonna go to level 1, and I'm going to draw the building pad once again, and I'm going to hit tab, and I'm gonna finish, go to 3D. That's our cut, which is the way that we want it to be. I am happy with the way that it is, and from here we are going to we're going to conclude our tutorial of putting levels at different heights for your project. I do hope that this has helped you, and I will see you on our next tutorial.